Hello, welcome again to the second couples video watching thing. This is our second piss poor excuse attempt of trying to gain a following by doing the most basic, non-imaginative thing we can do. Watch videos other people made. Last time I posted a video, the sound was a little off. Hopefully the sound's a little bit better. I have my mic set up in a different location and have adjusted some volume, blah, 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 blah. I have no idea how to use OBS. So, while we're recording this, if we are going to say something, I'm going to stop and then the fuck shit style commence and then I will just keep playing the video. As always, I'm here with my significant other, Katie. And together we are KK. Yes, very imaginative. As you can tell, I am the master of naming things, as I should be. You may start a cult to me, if you wish. Just no Jim Jones shit.
I want to be a cowboy, baby. I want to be a cowboy, baby.
Jared, could you read number 23 for the class? No, I cannot.
What up? I'm Jared, I'm 19, and I never fucking learned how to read.
Back at it again at Krispy Kreme.
Drink all my life, man, fuck sake. If I tell I'm a non-sweater, I'll let him eat my ass like a
My main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
Zach, stop. Zach, stop. You're gonna get in trouble.
Zach.
God damn.
Twist it. Pull it. No off-topic questions. Because I don't want to. No, permission denied. That's an off-topic questions. Next, you have been stopped.
People are constantly asking me, what's it like to be a sex offender?
My ass. 100% my ass.
They following me. The bugs.
The bug!
Go ahead and introduce yourself. My name is Michael with a B, and I've been afraid of insects my entire life. Stop. Where? Where's the bee? There's a bee?
What you say? I said whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
You know that was a substitute.
Oh, facts.
Me 100%. No head? Oh yeah.
Let's tell each other a secret about ourselves. I'm gonna go first. I hate you.
Damn.
Oh, sorry, I fell asleep while I was waiting on you to make me a sandwich. Go back to sleep and starve.
I'm not gonna lie to you, that looks like every ex-boyfriend you've ever had.
Fuck you.
Caterpillar rave.
I'm still trying to figure out what the fuck made that web. Because I don't want to be nowhere near that shit.
Here he comes.
I want to see my little boy.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
What the fuck is up, Kyle? No, what did you say, dude? What the fuck, dude? Step the fuck up, Kyle.
I want a church girl that go to church
And read her Bible.
Sounds like something she said.
Dude, look how young he looked.
I like that laugh.
Such a baby.
He was a fucking baby.
Photo. No. Hi.
Okay.
Anything for you, Beyonce?
Okay, so I just want to say this about my job real quick. You know, that way you can get to know me a little bit more. So I work at a factory, and there are tons of semi-truck drivers who do not speak English. The funniest thing I get to see on my job is to watch people speak English to these people who have no idea what they're saying. It is the greatest source of entertainment ever. When I direct them to a location, it's always hand gestures, or I go to Google and type and translate what I want to say, and then just hit play and let the phone tell them in Spanish. But when I tell you, these people will sit there and say what they said 14 times, as if the first time they understood. I don't know. It's like they believe that the truckers are going to just magically know English because you keep saying the same damn thing over and over and over. It's honestly sad, but it's hilarious as shit to watch.
It started when we were younger. You were my boo.
Hurry up, we're gonna be late for school. Bruh, chill. I don't know why you in a big time rush.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
Can confirm.
Who's that Pokemon?
It's Pikachu!
It's Clefairy!
I don't even know which way the Quiznos is.
What are those?
They are my Crocs.
You want some?
Yeet!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Target!
Hey, Mom. Say, who want lasagna? Who want
That woman fell white. I'm sorry, that was a white fall there. Boy.
Good evening.
I heard that you were talking shit and you didn't think that I would hear it.
People say I can't do what I love without college. I don't need a degree to be a clothing hanger.
What the hell are you doing?
I am doing my eyebrows.
That's a big ass mirror.
I have big ass eyebrows.
So basically, what I was thinking of was, oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.
To any person who watches this who may or may not be going through high school, do not wear bike chains around your neck and think you're cool. Please stop. You are the reason bullying still exists. You make it way too easy. God, you make it way too easy. Take yourself seriously and other people may take you seriously. But if you make yourself the joke, people are gonna laugh at it. Sorry. Don't bully people.
Yeah, I sure hope it does.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
My ass.
Ryan.
I love you.
Cassie.
Hurricane Katrina. More like Hurricane Tornado.
It's for the Shawty, I don't.
I just feel like that's something she'd say.
Stop at McDonald's.
Oh, she quotes it all the time.
Dude.
All the time.
I'm gonna be real with you. Who doesn't quote these? Who doesn't?
Hey, Ron.
See, remember when I fell in your driveway? You gotta do that when you're old. You just gotta lay there and accept it. You gotta do a diagnostics on your body to make sure all systems are go.
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
That's a big ass TV,
Welcome
boy.
to Radio Shack.
That's how she sound when she, you know what I'm saying? Damn.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
Tell me how about the Porsche, I don't wanna hit that.
Shut the up.
Mom, I have something to tell you. What is it, honey? I got an abortion.
Don't fuck with me. I have the power of God and anime on my side. Wait,
Wait, oh,
That's facts. Anime is powerful.
Mr. Postman.
Oh, damn.
Ow! Chris, is that a weed?
No, this is a crayon.
I'm calling the police.
911, what's your emergency? Who am I? Let's go to the beach. Beach. Nicki Minaj.
Marlene, your speech was so good. Oh, but I didn't even try. It was just improv. And
Oh my god, why can't you just take the freaking compliment?
We all die. You either kill yourself or get killed.
What you gonna do?
What you gonna do?
I'm in my mom's car. Broom, broom.
Get out my car.
Me going up a flight of stairs. There's no joke. That's just how it is. A potato flew around my room before you came. Low key, when that bitch comes off and hits somebody, that's it.
Run.
You know those things kill people. That's real.
Stop
A
and
lot
get
of
all your daily
alarming a number of
nutrients,
people
like
have
2 grams
died
of
from that
trans
thing
fat
hitting people in
and
the chest.
oh my
That's
God,
real.
cholesterol.
Hey, I'm lesbian.
I thought you were American.
Dad, look, it's the good Kush.
This is the dollar store. How good can it be?
Hey, how y'all? Get your fucking dog, bitch! It don't bite. Yes, it do!
I want to clarify, she is that dog owner. I swear to God, she will sit there and yell at her dog while her dog attacks company and just sit there and be like, Millie, Vermillion. And I swear to God, this dog could have mauled them the last 10 minutes she's yelling this dog's name. You are that person. I swear. I don't know why you're that person, but you are definitely that person. Now, I'm that person with the cat. If my cat mauls you, it just mauled you. One, I can't catch cats. I don't know if you've ever tried to really catch a cat. It don't work.
No.
What the fuck, Richard?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Sure, you may be verified on Twitter, but are you verified in the eyes of God?
Number 4! Get the wheels on the bus! Way to go, Paul!
What's good for me? That's my opinion!
Sometimes the world looks perfect. Nothing new. Fuck this shit, I'm out.
That fit, though.
So I'm sitting there, barbecue sauce on my titties.
You better watch out. You better watch out. You better watch out. You better watch.
Okay, about the barbecue sauce on my titties thing, it wasn't funny to me when it first came out, but quoting that shit gets the same reaction he got every single time. It is the funniest shit ever when someone quotes it, just because you don't hear it all the time. But you gotta slip it in there, you know what I mean? Like, you know, when, you know, she pushes her butt up against you and you... no, never mind. Never mind.
Is it real? Accept yourself. Love yourself. Accept yourself.
Acid.
I thought you were bae. Turns out you're just fam. Bruh.
Hey, babe. Happy 1 year. I'm 27.
Look at all those chickens.
Like an actual middle-aged listener.
Wow. My ass in high school, 100%. First vape I ever got was a T-Priv 2, I do believe. That motherfucker sported 3 batteries, and I put a Cloud Beast King V12 on that bitch. The wattage was set to about 350 watts. Plug that bitch in, fill that thing with juice, and just cloud an entire room. I got therapy, and I got better.
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called free shavacadoo. Free shavacadoo.
Yeah! That was legitness.
Yeah, it was.
Dear Lord.
At that point, just let it happen.
Fact!
Right?
No, seriously, people. Because I used to skateboard all the time, so I have a full need to keep my balance. There have been multiple times where I could tell you, the stupid I look trying to catch my balance, I would have rather just fail. I swear to you, I would have rather fair because I'm sitting there like, and she's sitting there getting drier than the Sahara Desert. Like, wow, look at this fucking idiot.
Not on my watch. Not on my watch.
Challenge time. Yo, Lance, you think I can get this egg into that jar without it cracking? No. Guess you're right.
Then the people I avoid in public.
What are those?
They're called my sandals.
I'm so bored. I wish Ryan was here.
Hey, guys.
Ryan! I love you, bitch. Oh my god. I ain't gonna never stop loving you, bitch.
That's how I got her.
Bros,
Legitimately.
5 feet apart because they're not gay. I brought you frankincense. Thank you. And I brought you myrrh. Thank you. Murder. Judas. No.
Shut the hell up! Shut up! Shut up!
Someone order a big sausage pizza?
I did, but I don't have any money.
Why the fuck did you order a pizza?
Facts. She had a glow up out of hell, dude. Have you seen her now? Brother, she had a glow up. Like, I almost didn't recognize her. Like, from that Vine to, like, the later Vine she had, almost a completely different person. Trust the braces process.
How do you keep your pants up when you're performing? It's incredible. Belt.
If your name
He lying. He know damn well he don't wear no belt.
really handsome, come on, raise your hand. Let's go!
Hello?
I love sucking dick! I love sucking dick! I love sucking dick!
You play it, you get $100 million, but 100 million people will die.
Kevin, no.
I smell a feet.
Nate, how those chickens?
I'm being beat.
Fuck your chicken strips. Fuck your chicken strip.
All of you!
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
That will never get old. That's adorable. That's adorable.
You're all going to hell. Goodbye.
Alright, well, that was fun. I'm glad you guys came with us. Please leave all hateful comments. And I will make a video reading said hateful comments. I'm be honest with you. Love it. Love the clout. If you do not comment and you clicked off this video early, fair.
Valid.
Fair. Fair. Anyway, thank you.